Hey everybody, John the Phone Guy here, and I just got in my newest watch, which is this Venom with the skull. You'll notice on the back, for anyone that's seen my Punisher Venom sizing, this has the same link system. So to keep myself from working too hard, I brought my Punisher in. So on the clasp side, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that this is going to be the small pin and collar system. So I went ahead and grabbed my seven mil. Because I know there's going to be a sleeve inside here. And as you can see, we have the... Okay, there we go. It was not cooperating, that's for sure. So we'll take that out. Push the collar out. You can see the collar right here. There it goes. Making sure we've got everything set back like we're supposed to. So that's the full. Knock it out somewhere. I'm trying to find the other part of the sleeve and it's eluding me. There it goes. It was somewhere because this one, the very bottom one, is a shorter one. So that sits right in there. So you can tell this one is for the bracelet section because it's a lot wider. So that guy there. Sorry about that. Okay. Went too far. Thought I felt it give, but then second guessed myself. Boy, I knew this one was going to be a bit of a challenge, but I wasn't expecting this much. But there. Yeah, I felt it go that time. All right. Woo! So let's see. 6. Okay, let's see if these come out a little bit easier than the other ones. Well, nothing. So there's the bottom one, and we'll need that little guy. Take the back off of him. There he goes. Take him out. Now we're going to put the small one back in. There. Yeah, I'm hitting myself, in case you were wondering, but it's alright. Better to beat me up than to beat the watch up, right? So, get this guy set in here. Sorry, getting this out of your frame of view, so I nicked it. That is aggravating. That's highly aggravating. Focus camera. Yep, I nicked it. Ah, dang it. That is highly upsetting. Well, kind of is what it is. It's my fault. I should have set that thing better before I went to hammer and before it was set in there better. Yep. You can see it. Right there. Yep. See where my punch came off? Scratched it. Wow, that is frustrating. Frustrating. Well, my own fault. I rushed myself. I tried to hammer that pin before I had it flush to where I could control it, and I paid the price. So it happens. Still love the watch. It's an awesome watch. So there we go. All right. Have a good one. See y'all.